In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default PDF viewer on any Android device. Sometimes when you tap on a PDF, it automatically opens in an app you don't like, and it keeps doing that every time. That happens because Android has set that app as the default. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to clear that default and then choose a new PDF viewer that works better for you. First, unlock your Android phone and go to the main home screen. Swipe down or up, depending on your device, and open the Settings app. This is where all the system options are, including how your phone decides which app opens which file. Inside Settings, scroll down until you see the section related to apps. It may be called Apps, App Management, or something very similar, depending on your phone's brand and Android version. Tap on that to open the list of all installed applications. Next, find the PDF app that is currently opening your files by default. This might be a built-in viewer, your browser, Google Drive, or any third-party PDF app you installed. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top of the app's screen to type the app's name and quickly locate it. Once you see it, tap on that app to open its App Info page. On the App Info page, look for an option related to defaults. This might be labeled Open by Default, Set as Default, or Default Settings. Tap on that. Here you'll see whether the app is set to open supported links or file types automatically, including PDF files. To remove it as the default PDF viewer, tap on the option that clears these default settings. Often, this is called Clear Defaults or Clear. After you do this, the app will no longer automatically open PDFs. Instead, Android will ask you which app you want to use next time. Now, go ahead and open any PDF file on your device, maybe from your Downloads folder or a messaging app. When you tap the PDF, you should see a prompt asking which app you want to use to open it. Choose your preferred PDF viewer from the list, and if you're sure you want to use it every time, tap the option that says Always. If you only want to test it once, choose Just Once. That's all you need to do. From now on, your Android device will use your chosen app as the default PDF viewer whenever you open a PDF file.